whenever an employee is leaving the organization, it's not only just one individual moving out and a job vacancy that will be created, but try to understand it's a complete package. It's a complete package of knowledge, skills, attitude, personality, competencies, leadership skills, people management skills, and so on. So it's like a complete package which is moving out of the company. And as management, as an organization, as a manager, it will be very difficult to find the exact substitution for that. So you may find a person with similar years of experience or very sound technical knowledge, but there can be huge differences when it comes to personality, it comes to competencies, it comes to decision making skills, it comes to critical thinking. So there can be these skills which can be missing. So next time onwards, whenever an employee is leaving, or you can sense that, okay, this person is going to leave in near future, or our employees are not happy in the organization, please look at it, that it's the entire package. What is the entire package that you are going to lose, and how difficult for you as manager, as an organization, how difficult it will be for you to find the exact substitution. So that's why it's very important to take care of your people, work on your employee engagement strategies and retention strategies, because once you lose good people, it's very difficult to find the exact substitution.